Yo, what is up, YouTube? All right, check it out. I got this counter bore set. And here's the rest of it out there. Here's the, there it is, there's that. And what I am doing is I am testing it out to see which one I want to use for my pivot screw. Because I either got this one or this one. I want to test out which one works best. So I got this bore, and that fits right into there. And what I'm going to clean this up first. So I want to test out the bigger one first. So I'll put, looks like it goes in like, let's see. Maybe I need to back out this screw a little bit. Get it secured, and this one is the 3/8 bore. And then up here, you put it in like that, and this one will lock down on here. All right, so here it is. It's all set up now. Put this piece in, fasten that down, and then put this piece in, fasten that down, and then this will go up into your drill press. And then that'll go into there, and then it'll drill out like that. So let's get to testing. And see, it bores it out just like that. And I will put my pivot screw in there. And it's just a little too big. So I'm going to use the next size down. But I am loving this tool, loving how it's working. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect fit. Oh, damn, that went right into the perfect spot. And so, these are the scales that I will be boring out. All right, so we will get this one started. The pivot. Oh, landed on the magnet. Nice. Just like that. So nice. Oh, and this stuff, I use this double-sided super glue called T-Rex. And it holds the scale to the liner, so I'm able to do everything I need to do. And then once it's time to take it off, it just comes right off, peels right apart. Add a little heat, bada bing, bada boom, and it's good. And here's this one, we'll get this one done. go just a tad. Perfect. Love it. All right, guys. And there we go. There's the finished product. Looks pretty badass now, doesn't it? Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Deuces.